Welcome to Syntax Comet. So before installation or writing a single Git command, let's make sure Git is installed correctly on your system. In this video, we'll see how to download, install, and set up your Git step by step, whether it is Windows, Mac, or Linux. So let's get started. Installing Git basically means adding the Git software to your system so that you can use commands like git init or git commit. Along with that, we'll set your name and email so Git can track your who made each change in your project, right? For tracking that thing, we have to make it. Step one is go to the official Git website. Okay, that is Git SCM. Okay, you only have to search this Git SCM and you will get an official website link over Google. And the first website which will be appeared, you have to go there. And then you have to do second step, that is click the download button. Okay, if you are using Windows, so you have to download for Windows. And then once downloaded, open the installer and keep all things or settings default. So just keeping it clear, I'm going to give you a quick overview how to go and search. Okay, on Google, you have to search Git SCM and simply enter. You will get this first website here. Over that website, when you open it, there will be an option to download Windows GUI and Windows, this type of things, right? So right now, I don't want you to download for GUIs. I just want you to download for the command lines. So for that purpose, what you have to do is download for Windows. You have an option here. Click over it. Okay, now there's an option whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or any other platform, right? So I'm using Windows. So here you have options which whatever configuration you want to download, just download this thing. And after that, just go through the second step and third step. Open the installer, keep all settings default, just keep clicking the next button. When installation phase finishes, open the command prompt and type this thing. Just open the command prompt after the installation completed and type git dash dash version. Okay, this will give you whatever version you have like downloaded. Right now in my system, I have downloaded 2.43 version, right? So it will be appeared. Now the next thing is installing on Mac OS is also done like same, but for the Mac OS users, one option is there. When you type git version, this statement in your Xcode or whatever platform you use, there will be an option that will ask you to just click and download this tool, right? If the system, if the Git is not there in your system, then it will ask you for downloading it and just click there and the Git version will be downloaded in your system. Same with the Linux part, you have to download using the command sudo apt install git and sudo dnf install git. This is the command sudo apt install git, or else you can also write sudo dnf install git, right? This is the command for the dnf install git. This is the command for the Linux users. After this, just verify with the command of git version that your system also have this git installed. Okay, now coming back. Okay, the next thing we have to do is configuration. Okay, this is the major part for the setup. For the setup thing, configuration thing, what you have to do is this will help you to like git config as a command. Okay, that will have help you to set your name, whatever name you want to put, that name and your email is initialized, is like setted, is declared in your system, right? For that purpose, this git configuration is done. after installation, we need to tell Git who you are, right? So these details are attached to every Git command you make. So for that purpose, you have to make sure that your configuration is set it. Now type these two commands one by one. These are the two commands you have to type one by one. Git config dash dash global username user dot name, and whatever name you have to like give here, your name inside this thing. Okay, so this is the name option, and after this thing you have to set enter. Right now it is not taking that thing, but okay. Next command what you have to type is git config dash dash global and user email and your email address. Okay, inside this you have to add your email address, whatever email you are using, right? So these are the some commands you have to use. After this, you have to make sure that whatever configuration you have done, it is clear or it is worked, right? For that purpose, you have only have to write here git config and dash dash list. Okay, this will give you a list whatever things you have right. See, I have written here user.name.user so whatever things you put here, it will be available inside here, so you can see what are the things or what are the configuration done in your git thing, git id. Okay, so what for that purpose it is used. Okay, so see, my user email here, which I updated right now, is dash 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 dash, and username is uploaded as Akash Khan. But as I have I have a typing mistake in the command here, username. So that is a new variable added here, right? For that purpose, this configuration is used. Okay. So that's all for this video. Okay, now you have done the download thing. Okay, download completed. Next thing is your configuration. Configuration is completed in your system. In the next video, we will see what is a repository, how you can contribute in a repository, how to make a repository. We'll add something in your repositories and we'll mainly focus on these three commands, that is init, add, and push. Okay, so these are some commands we'll focus on in the next video. Till then, take care, do coding each day.